In this work, we used a dance performance to explore physical human-drone interactions during a collaborative task. We created drone behaviors to allow partnership and increase physicality between the dancer and drone. We found that extended moments of hovering increase the dancer's perspective of the drone as a partner. We found that using the amount of force exerted from the dancer to the drone is a sufficient input for designing drone responses and increasing the amount of physical contact between the partners. Condition 1 was a 50% call and response ratio from the drone. While it was clear to me as the drone's partner that the drone was making decisions, it did not seem to be making its decisions in reference to me, its partner. Therefore, it felt the least like a partner out of all of the conditions. Condition 2 represents a 30% response rate from the drone. During this session, the drone often drifted away from me to heights I could not reach. However, the drone did exert more oppositional force against me, making it feel more like a corporeal body. More often than not, the drone did not make its own decisions, making it feel less like a partner in our improvisational task. Condition 3 represents a 70% response rate from the drone. It was during this condition that the drone felt most like a collaborative partner. This is due in part to the drone's pauses and hovering, which allowed me to establish and re-establish eye contact as I would with a human partner. These pauses also suggested decision making, causing the drone to appear intentional in its choices. We also discovered new movement patterns during this session, including rolling and rebounding.